go on here and we're gonna buy some cake. I'm gonna use BNB. I sent some Bitcoin over to Binance. And we're gonna use that Bitcoin. And we're gonna buy some BNB. We're gonna send the BNB over to Trust Wallet. And then we're gonna buy some cake. So like I said, I don't know if it's your birthday, but we're gonna get some cake. And later on, we're gonna flip the cake. We ain't gonna eat it, we're gonna flip the cake. And later on, you'll be able to use that cake to buy some cake when it is your birthday. So let's jump into the content. What's up, family? In this video, we're gonna talk about cake. We're gonna talk about bake. I don't know if you're familiar with these. I don't even know if you're familiar with D-apps, DEXs, and swaps, Pancake Swap, Uniswap, Sushi Swap, Bakery Swap. I don't know if you're familiar with these, but what you can do is you can swap tokens. Like with Pancake Swap, you gotta have BNB. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can copy the address and then take it over to Pancake Swap, and you'll be able to swap out some tokens. Take some BNB and swap them out. This is the website right here. If I go to exchange, I'll be able to go over here and I can connect my wallet. Let me see if I can go connect. See, Trust Wallet. I picked Trust Wallet. I ain't picked MetaMask. See, my MetaMask. I could connect my MetaMask, but whatever. But just to let you guys know what to do. Get you a MetaMask. Get you a Trust Wallet. I advise Trust Wallet. That's what I used. So that's Pancake Swap. This is the website. You can come over here. You can check out collectibles. They got NFTs. They have different things. Farms. You can do yield farming. High liquidity. It looked like. So that's just a little heads up for you. Pancake Swap just hit an all-time high today. So you might want to get you some. I bought some of this today. I bought Bake yesterday. I bought Pancake Swap today. I think it's going a lot higher. It has a lot more volume than Uniswap right now. Let's see, total supply. Let me go up here to the top. Total supply is doesn't say. Circulating supply is 158,397,000. Total value locked 9 billion. That's a lot. Market cap rank 28. So that's Pancake. We go over here to Bakery Swap one more time. We go to the website. They got an exchange also. Connect your wallet. Liquidity. Add liquidity. You can add liquidity. You can also in NFT marketplace. See, wow. You see those prices. So, this is gamification, Launchpad, different things going on here. So if you're interested, go to Bakery Swap. Not financial advice, but I think it's a good buy. You see it's up right now. crazy. If you go to Twitter, $124,000 followers. 4 hours ago, they doing NFT stuff. Look like they making big moves. But I got in and got me a nice little amount of these, almost 100 though. Nothing major. I'm gonna get some more. Wanted to buy some today, but it was up so high, I ended up just buying cake. But I think cake is a good buy too. Join our new NFT group for all NFT related discussions. Yeah, I ain't get that much. I should have got more. Once it settle down, I'm gonna get some more. But that's pretty much all I got. You know, you might want to get some bake, some cake. You might not. But I'm enjoying these games so far. That's all I got. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. Peace.